Namaskar, welcome to PK's classes. Today we are going to study about the Dell's vasomotor reversal or vasomotor reversal of Dell, named after the pharmacologist and physiologist Sir Henry Dell. So, vasomotor reversal of Dell is a phenomenon that occurs when adrenaline's effect on blood pressure is reversed after blocking the alpha 1 receptors. This happens because adrenaline's effect on blood pressure is biphasic. We can see there is initial rise followed by a prolonged fall in blood pressure. So initial rise in blood pressure is caused by the alpha receptor, that is alpha 1, and the prolonged fall in blood pressure, that is caused by beta 2. As you know, the adrenergic receptors are of two types. Adrenergic receptors alpha 1, alpha and beta. Alpha is again of two types, alpha 1 and alpha 2. Beta is of three types, beta 1, beta 2, beta 3. So when we say here vasomotor reversal, vaso means blood vessel, and in blood vessel there are two receptors. One is alpha 1 and the other is beta 2. So two adrenergic receptor alpha 1 and beta 2 are present in blood vessels, and the vasoconstriction or vasodilatation, that is an autonomic nervous system action. When there is vasoconstriction, peripheral resistance increases, and since blood pressure is equal to cardiac output into peripheral resistance, so blood pressure increases. In case of vasodilatation, there is decrease in peripheral resistance and hence blood pressure decreases. And adrenaline shows both these actions because both these receptors are present. This vasoconstriction is alpha 1 receptor mediated and vasodilatation is beta 2 receptor mediated. So when the adrenaline concentration is high concentration, so the action is alpha 1 receptor mediated and that causes vasoconstriction. And when adrenaline is in low concentration, beta 2 receptor mediated action results and that causes vasodilation. So initially, when there is intravenous administration of adrenaline, there will be rise in blood pressure caused by alpha 1 receptor stimulation, and when there is fall in the level of adrenaline, so the beta 2 receptors will be stimulated and there will be fall in BP due to vasodilatation. And if we use one alpha blocker, then there will be absence of the fast phase and there is fall in blood pressure only. So adrenaline response on blood vessels is biphasic, initial rise followed by a prolonged fall in blood pressure. But in presence of alpha blockers, non-selective alpha blockers like phentolamine, phenoxybenzaimine, the first phase is blocked and there is only the second phase action, that is fall in blood pressure. So this phenomenon is given by Sir Henry Dell and accordingly it is called Dell's vasomotor reversal. So thank you.